We are back at K3 this beautiful Saturday, December 5th morning. Today, he will be working on some cleanup outside. My plan is to head inside and take measurements of that kitchen area. I'm hoping to come up with a design for our kitchen. Before I head inside, I will take you on a short tour of at least part of our property. As you look north and up the driveway, this will be the property line that butts up to BLM land, where I plan on running. Turning towards the west, there lies a vacant 10 acres. And continuing and looking down the drive to the south, there is a property on the right and left-hand sides of the dirt drive, both of which are occupied. Turning and looking east, you look across what I would consider our front yard. K3 has a circle drive incorporating what I would again call the front yard. As you walk across the front yard, there are 3 saguaro cacti off to the left. I have dubbed them the 3 amigos. This extremely hot and dry summer has beat them up quite a bit though. There were also some small barrel cactus surrounding them. I'm not sure if those have made it. Continuing towards the house and looking to the east, that is the view that I will have out my kitchen window. This piece of property definitely has some views, as I learned when working on it a couple years ago. The sunsets are just spectacular. Here's another look at those 3 cacti. Hopefully I will get that area cleaned up. Maybe some roses planted in the future. K3, the house, sits fairly centered on its 10 acres of property. Yes, only 10 acres compared to the 20 we have out at K2. But the house itself is 864 square feet exterior, if you count the upstairs, whereas K2 is 260, and that includes my loft area. Like K2, we will be hauling water here at K3. There is currently no well on the property, with no chance to hook up to city water. In the future, we will consider drilling a well out here. K3 is hooked up to electricity, so it will only take a phone call to the power company to have it turned on to the house. In the future, I would like to rely on solar, even if it is just partial. Looking to the east again, you will see a fence. Our property extends beyond that fence. It extends to some power lines and a dirt road not too far in the distance. This is also the view I will have out my kitchen window. I am looking forward to it. Here's looking at that kitchen window and the east side of the house. The hot water heater sits outside, as is the norm down here. And in the future, we'll probably have a sort of doghouse built to protect it. Turning south and a little east are some eucalyptus trees on our property. I do not know how they survived this summer with the extreme heat and lack of rain that we had, but they somehow did. Just beyond them is a wash that runs sort of along the southern edge of our property. And yes, that is one trash trailer that needs to be scrapped over time. We will now enter the house of K3. As we enter the house, the bathroom will be immediately on our right. As you enter the bathroom, just to the left will be a sort of linen closet storage area for the bathroom. It will be a full bath with a tub, sink, and toilet. The back wall there will either be wallboarded or tile. The other walls will remain block, and the wall near the tub will be tiled over. Heading out of the bathroom into the main room, it will be an open floor plan due to its size. As I walk over to the kitchen, we're going to take a look out that kitchen window and enjoy the view for just a moment. Yes, that is the view I will have out my kitchen window. We look left now, or to the north side of the house, at that pantry. That pantry is going to be removed as it is not in our kitchen design. We have a nice double window on that wall, and we look to the west wall. That window and wall need work. that window will be removed and we will have a sliding glass door and possibly another small window instead. We are about ready to head up to the second floor at this point. The second floor of K2 is actually divided in half. The half that for the most part we can stand up in will be our bedroom area. Our bedroom area will also include a full bath and laundry for us. As I head to the north end where our bed will be, we will have a window on this east wall here. It will have the same view as my kitchen window. Looking back to the north wall, you can see two spots. The one on the left will be a window. The other was set up for an air conditioning unit. At this point, we are hoping to do mini splits, so that may have to change. Turning back and looking to the south wall, that is the wall that our bathroom will be on. And as I turn and face west, the washer and dryer will be set right there. Where I'm looking now is the second half of the second floor. This is the area of the upstairs where neither one of us can stand. We will use it for closet, storage, basically an attic. For now, we can still get a view of the first floor from here. And as you can see to the right, the entrance is framed out to access the attic area once all the walls are done. As we go back across the bedroom and look to the east wall, there is a door framed out. This will be the entrance to our bedroom from the outside, as neither one of us wants to climb up and down a ladder to access the second floor. That just about concludes today's video at K3. Before I leave, we will take one last look at that kitchen area as I'm getting ready to work on some plans for it now. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, this is a non-sponsored video. Until next time, directionally challenged hiker.